Welcome back, friends. So now the first step, we are going to dry fry the fenugreek, jeera and pepper. Also, we are going to add the mustard seeds into it. Now we are going to powder the dry fried ingredients. The dry ingredients are powdered now. Keep it up. Now we are going to add coconut. 1 cup of coconut to the jar. Few garlic. Now we are going to grind the mixer and then add tomato and grind again. We have grinded coconut along with garlic. Now we are going to add tomato and grind again. Now we have grinded garlic, tomato and coconut together. So keep it aside. In a kadai, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of oil with mustard, later onions and half a teaspoon of hing. Fry them until golden brown. Now we are going to add turmeric, half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoonful of sambar powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, now we are going to add the grinded paste of coconut, garlic and tomato. Add salt as required now. And mix them well. Now add little water and adjust the consistency of the curry. The curry should not be too watery. You should not add more of water. So in this stage, we are going to add the tamarind juice. The curry is now boiling, so we are going to add the dry ingredients powder that we made in the beginning. And mix it well. Now the curry is ready. Please do try this recipe. Give me a thumbs up. This is a simple South Indian lunch which is very healthy. Do try this recipe and give me a thumbs up if you like. Share the recipe with your friends and enjoy.